Dear students, today we are here again with the basic geometrical ideas chapter, and today we are going to discuss again some parts of the circle which we have not covered in our last video or last class I am talking about. Okay, so today we will be discussing more about the circle only. Now today we are going to discuss the most important part of the circle which you have to know, that is diameter. Although we have covered this topic yesterday also, but I have to cover this topic today in a little bit detail. So all of you please focus on the board what I am teaching right now. So first of all, let me tell you what is diameter actually. If I draw a circle today, I'm not going to draw the circle with the help of compass, because right now I am drawing it freely so that I can explain it to you in a proper way. Now this is the circle. Now let me tell you what is diameter. Diameter is a line segment which is formed by connecting two points on the circumference, and remember the line segment should passes through the center. It means, look at here, this is the diameter. We can also draw the diameter like this. So this is also a diameter only. I can also draw the diameter like this. This is another diameter. And this is again another diameter only. Remember, as a circle has many radius, remember the same way a circle has many diameter also. Okay. Always remember, a circle has infinite radius. The same way a circle has infinite diameter also. Remember, diameter के लिए it is very important that the line segment which is called diameter should pass through the center. Okay. Now student, please focus on the board what I am going to teach you right now. All of you first write it down. Diameter connects two points on the circumference and it passes through the center. This is the main part related to the diameter. Now, one more important part, that diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. These are the two main important parts which you should know about a diameter. And remember, a diameter can be a chord. Remember, diameter can be a chord, but जरूरी नहीं है कि हर chord diameter हो. ये line हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रखिएगा बेटा. And one more last part, that a circle has infinite radius. The same way, a circle has infinite diameter also. Every chord cannot be a diameter, but every diameter is a chord. This line is a very important line which you should know about it. So you can see I have drawn a circle. Okay? In that circle, I have drawn so many chords. You can see so many chords I have drawn. Now I am just going to ask from you, please tell me which line segment you find largest here. If I give the name also, then also please tell me, this is AB, this is CD, this is EF, this is GH, this is PQ in the middle, then you can have RS, TU, VW, XY. Now please tell me which one you find the longest one. आप खुद से देख करके मुझे बताइए ऐसी कौन सी लाइन सेगमेंट आपको सबसे बड़ी लग रही है, सबसे बड़ी दिख रही हो जो. Yes, the correct answer is PQ. The correct answer will be PQ. Reason behind is beta because PQ is passing through the center और ये सबसे largest distance cover करेगी. अगर आप चाहें तो अपनी कॉपी में भी ड्रॉ करके देख सकते हैं. आपकी जो डायमीटर कहलाएगी वो सबसे लंबी आपको दिखेगी, सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट दिखेगी. एंड रिमेंबर it will be called the longest chord. So remember always diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord. You can do this one experiment in your fair copy also. आप चाहो तो ये सारे ड्रॉ करके 4-5 आप ड्रॉ कर लो. मैंने तो बहुत सारे ड्रॉ किए हैं. You can draw 4-5 in your fair copy and please start measuring all. जैसे आप मेजर करना शुरू करोगे आपको समझ में खुद से आ जाएगा कि जो डायमीटर वाली लाइन होगी वो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट होगी. अदर ऑल विल बी शॉर्टर देन दैट. फाइन. So this experiment you can do it on your fair copy. You can draw 4 and 5 chords on your copy including diameter and then measure all. After measuring you will come to know that you will find that diameter is the longest one among all the diameters. Okay, among all the chords, sorry. Now students, I am going to tell you the relation between a diameter and the radius. Okay, we are talking about the relation between radius and diameter. Always remember beta, abhi just now you have seen the figure as well. Diameter is just double of radius. Diameter is just double of radius. It means suppose अगर आपको बोला जाए कि अगर आपको पता है कि रेडियस का मेजरमेंट इज गिवन 5 सेंटीमीटर, so what will be the measurement of diameter? Can you please tell me? Suppose you know that radius is of 5 centimeter. What will be the measurement of diameter? Can you please tell me? Yes, correct answer. It will be 10. Always remember this is the relation between a diameter and the radius. Diameter is just double of radius. If suppose you have to find out radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. Just opposite, okay? So these are the two things which you should know always, that diameter is just double of radius and the second part, radius is just diameter's half, or you can call it half of the diameter. आप इसको ऐसे भी पढ़ सकते हो, half of the diameter. Now I will be giving you some of the questions related to this relation. Please focus on it and give it to me the answer. And you can also write it down these questions on your fair copy also. So here my question is, find the diameter if the radius is, my first question is 7 centimeter, second question is 8 centimeter, and the third question is 2.5 centimeter. Please reply faster one by one. What will be the measurement of the diameter if its radius are 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter? Yes, absolutely correct, Sanat. Your answer is totally right. What about next student? Remember beta, diameter is just double of radius. Diameter is just double of radius. It means आपके पास जो भी वैल्यू दी हुई है बेटा, जब आप उसका डबल करेंगे then you will find out the diameter into it. So it means if it is 7, the diameter will be double, means 7 2s are 14. Another one is 8, so 8 2s are 16. Now the third one 2.5, beta 2.5 का मतलब होता है 2.5. 2.5 means 2 and 2 it will give you 4, half and half will give you 1. So जब आप total add करोगे you will get it 5. It means your first answer will be 14 centimeter, diameter will be of 14 centimeter. Second answer will be 8 puja 16, 16 centimeter will be the diameter. 2.5 का double करेंगे you will get it 5 centimeter the answer. It means the answers are 14, 16 and 5. Now I am changing the question. Please tell me what will be the radius. Find the radius if the diameter is. Now the question is diameter is. Okay. Now I'm changing my questions here. You have to reply the answers right now. This is 7 centimeter. This is 4. This is now 18 centimeter. And this is now 12 centimeter. Answers now. You have to find this time the radius and you know the diameter this time. So you have to just do it oppositely as you were doing it in radius, you were doing it just double for finding out the diameter. But this time you have to find out radius if the diameter is given. So you have to move oppositely. ठीक है, अब हम इस बार opposite करेंगे बेटा. Yes, fine. I am getting the answer and answers are very nice and correct also. Very correct. Correct answers. Okay. So I can see the answers which were given by the students. Let us understand, are your answers correct or not? The first one is 12. So now you are knowing diameter is 12. So 12 divided by 2, it means your answer will be 6 centimeter in the first case. So the radius will be 6 centimeter in the first one. The second one is telling here you have been given the diameter as 18. So 18 divided by 2. It means the radius will be 9 centimeter because जब आप 18 को 2 parts में divide करेंगे you will get it 9 centimeter. Now last but not the least, the third one C. Now you are knowing you have been given diameter as 7. So 7 divided by 2, it means 7 को हमको 2 parts में divide करना है. And when you will divide it into 2 parts, your answer will be 3.5 centimeter radius. Okay, so it means your first answer is 6, second answer is 9, and the third answer is 3.5. Now students, we are talking about arc, interior, exterior, and on the circle. These 3 things we will be studying, 4 things we will be studying first now, and then we will move to sector and segment. So सबसे पहले always remember, if suppose you are talking about a circle, I am taking a normal circle now, rough diagram type. Okay, you can also take the help of compass and you can draw it clearly. You will draw it properly, okay, with the help of compass. So this is suppose my circle. Now remember beta, when you talk about arc, आर्क इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सर्कल. आपने कभी देखा आपकी मम्मी की जो बैंगल जब टूट जाती है, कभी आपने देखा अपनी मम्मी की बैंगल को टूटते हुए? कभी धोखे से कभी कांच की जो बैंगल मम्मी पहनी होती है वो कभी कभी टूट जाती है. तो जब वो टूट जाती है तो वो इस तरीके के पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है। कुछ कोई टुकड़ा ऐसा होता है, कोई पीस उसका ऐसा होता है, कोई पीस उसका ऐसा रहता है, कोई पीस उसका इतना बड़ा होता है। हैव यू सीन दैट? रिप्लाई यस और नो। हैव यू सीन मम्मा का बैंगल कभी टूटते हुए या कहीं पर रखा हुआ होगा तो पहले फुल सर्कल होता है, बट जब ब्रेक हो जाता है तो इस तरीके के पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाता है। yes, okay, many students are replying the answer yes, they have seen. Okay, so beta remember, arc is a part of circle. Like वो जो बैंगल के पार्ट्स होते हैं, they are called arc. ठीक है, remember this is a part of circle. It means this is arc. ये अगर मैंने इसको शेड कर दिया, अगर मैंने इसका नाम दिया तो we will be calling it this is the arc, PQ. Okay, PQ is the arc. Now there are two kinds of arc, beta. Minor arc and major arc. I am telling you, one is called minor arc, another one is called major arc. Now, how? Let us understand. Minor मतलब होता है बेटा छोटा और major मतलब होता है बड़ा. अगर आपने जो पार्ट लिया है सर्कल का, वो आपके हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल से कम है. अगर हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल से कम है, दैट मीन्स यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ माइनर आर्क. इट मीन्स दिस इज अ माइनर आर्क. This is also a minor arc only. This is also a minor arc only. And let me now take this one. Now you tell me, is it minor? अब आप खुद से मुझे बताइए, is it minor? Do you find it is minor arc? Do you see this? Can you tell me, do you find it minor arc? No. What name you will get it now? You will get it major arc. ठीक है, you will have two types of arc, minor arc and major arc. Minor and major. Minor मतलब होता है small surface, small part of the circle, and this is the large part of circle. Remember, जब आप more than half लेते हो, you will get it major. If you will take less than half, you will get it minor arc. How to give the name of the arc? Arc का नाम कैसे देते हैं बेटा? I am telling you how to give the name of an arc. Look at here. Suppose there was a circle like this. ठीक है, this is the circle suppose, and any arc is marked. Suppose this is the arc which is shaded, and I have given the name as PQ. So आप arc का नाम कैसे देंगे बेटा? You will be writing PQ, and arc के ऊपर आप इस तरीके से साइन मार्क करेंगे, this like this. PQ, PQ के ऊपर क्या रहेगा बेटा? ये आर्क वाला साइन रहेगा. We can call this one as minor arc. You can see this was the minor arc. ठीक है. Now I am drawing one more arc. You tell me, what can you write it down the name for this? It is minor or major, और आप इसका नाम क्या लिखेंगे ये आपको बताना है. So this time the name is AB. Can you please tell me? There are two questions. You tell me, is it minor arc or a major arc? सबसे first question please reply. Is it minor or major? Yes, correct. It is a major arc. Fine. Now can you please tell me how will you write it down the name? नाम क्या बोलेंगे बेटा हम उसको? We will give the name as AB. AB लिख देंगे हम because यहाँ पर AB मार्क किया गया है, and ऊपर जो साइन रहेगा बेटा वो रहेगा ऐसे. This is all about arc. ये हमने पढ़ लिया arc के बारे में. ठीक है, this was all about arc only. Now let us understand what is interior point, what is exterior point, and what is on the circle. So then let me tell you now that part. I'm going to rub this. So arc I am rubbing now. We are talking about interior, exterior, and on the circle. So students, suppose we have a circle. You are knowing interior means inside, exterior matlab outside, and on the circle means on the surface of the circle. For example, if you talk about a center, you are knowing center is a point which is inside the circle. Suppose I am drawing another point like A. I am drawing another point like B. These all are the points which are in interior. So I'm writing it here. They are interior, beta. O, A, B, they all are interior. Now exterior. Exterior means suppose I have a point P, I have a point Q, I have a point R. So we have P, Q, R on exterior of circle. We will call it exterior of circle. Fine. Now last but not the least, we have to find out on the circle. On the circle का मतलब होता है बेटा ऐसे पॉइंट्स जो सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे होते हैं. ठीक है, सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे. तो लेट्स सी नाउ पॉइंट x, point y. Now x and y are the points which are on the circle. So this is all about on the circle, and you can also call it another name, circular region. हम इसको ये भी बोल सकते हैं, they are on circular region. CIRCULAR, circular, REGION, circular region. रीजन का मतलब होता है एरिया, सर्कुलर मतलब सर्कल का पार्ट. फाइन. So it means x and y are the points which are on the circle, or you can call it circular region. O, A, B are inside the circle. You can call it they are interior. P, Q are outside the circle, means they are exterior. Now students, let us understand the part next one, that is called sector. Now sector is also, there are two parts of the sector, major sector and minor sector. So the same thing again I have told you earlier also. Remember, sector can be major, sector can be minor. It means you can call it minor sector and major sector. Again remember this part जो मैंने अभी आपको इसके पहले समझाया. Always remember, अगर आपका sector जो है वो सर्कल का हाफ ऑफ द पार्ट से ज्यादा पार्ट कवर करता है, इट मींस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेजर सेक्टर. और अगर वो लेस देन हाफ पार्ट कवर करता है, दैट मींस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ माइनर सेक्टर. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. सपोज आपको पता होगा जनरली जब आपके घर में बर्थडे होता है तो आप केक को किस तरीके से कट करते हैं, आपको बस ये याद रखना है. ठीक है, सपोज दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. Now you must be thinking, this is, suppose you imagine that this is a cake of your birthday और आपको अपने केक को कट करना है. तो जब आपने अपने केक को कट किया तो जनरली आप कैसे केक कट करते हैं बेटा? यू कट योर केक लाइक दिस विद द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेडियस. आप क्या करते हो, सेंटर से आप अपने केक में नाइफ यूज करते हो और यू जस्ट सी द रेडियस. रिमेंबर, जब हम सेक्टर की बात करते हैं बेटा तो हम उसको रेडियस के फॉर्म में डिवाइड करते हैं पहले. तो दिस इज रेडियस, दिस इज रेडियस. ठीक है, नाउ यू आर कटिंग दिस पार्ट आउट. आप इस पार्ट को जब बात करते हो देन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सेक्टर. दिस इज अ सेक्टर. नाउ सपोज दिस इज द सेंटर O, दिस इज A, दिस इज B. तो आप पढ़ेंगे सेक्टर AOB. का नाम कैसे देंगे बेटा आप? यू विल बी टेलिंग एट दिस इज द सेक्टर AOB या BOA. so you will call it like sector AOB or BOA. this is all about sector. ठीक है, now what is minor and major sector? This is a minor sector. You can see here this is taking the less than half part of a circle, so this is a minor sector. Now what is about major sector? Major sector का मतलब हुआ ये which I am shading right now. The cake which is left is called the major sector. This is all about the major sector. Look at here, you can see now. The rest of the part which I have not taken as a lining one, that is now your major sector. Minor is this one, major is this one. इसका नाम भी बेटा हम वही लिखेंगे. The name will be now A and then OB. यही नाम रहेगा, लेकिन याद रखिए आपको मेजर एंड माइनर साथ में लगाना है. ये माइनर है तो आप इसको लिखोगे माइनर सेक्टर ओ एओबी। अगर आप मेजर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तब आप लिखेंगे मेजर सेक्टर एओबी। फाइन, ओनली दिस पार्ट। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सेक्टर बेटा, रिमेंबर दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सेक्टर। और याद रखिए जब भी आप कभी सेक्टर की बात कीजिए आप हमेशा अपने केक को याद कर लीजिए कि आप कैसे केक को कट करते हैं। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेगमेंट पार्ट। Now students, we are going to understand now segment. Segment also have two parts, major and minor. The same way as we have done it in that, the same is like this also. Minor segment and major segment. Again the same thing will be covered like which I told in that part only. If circle ka more of the half part will be covered, then you will be calling it major segment. If less than half part will be covered, then it will be calling as a minor segment. Now segment के लिए बेटा याद रखना, अभी आपको मैंने just बताया था, if you are talking about this is the center of a circle. So remember अभी हमने जब radius से divide किया था, रेडियस के फॉर्म में जब हमने सर्कल का पार्ट किया था, देन इट वाज कॉल्ड अ सेक्टर. बट रिमेंबर जब हम कॉर्ड के फॉर्म में, लाइक दिस इज द कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल, यू आर नोइंग दिस इज द कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल, दिस इज द कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल, यू कैन टेक कॉर्ड एनीवेयर. सो आई हैव जस्ट टेकन कॉर्ड हियर लाइक दिस. तो जब हम कॉर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग पार्ट बनाते हैं, नाउ दिस इज द कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल, फॉर एग्जांपल द नेम इज PQ. So now this kind of part will become now segment. ओके और अगर हमें बात करना है मेजर सेगमेंट की, तो जो ये लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट हुआ, दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज नाउ मेजर segment. Fine, this will be now major segment, and this part is covering the less of the half part, it means it is a minor segment. I'm writing it out, this is minor segment, and this is all about major segment. Fine. So remember जब हम सेक्टर की बात करते हैं तो हम सर्कल का पार्ट रेडियस के थ्रू बनाते हैं, और जब हम सेगमेंट की बात करते हैं तब हम सर्कल के पार्ट को स्क्वाड के थ्रू बनाते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सर्कल्स, एवरी पार्ट वी हैव कवर्ड सेंटर, वी हैव कवर्ड डायमीटर, रेडियस, टू इंटीरियर पॉइंट, एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट, सेक्टर, सेगमेंट, chord, everything is covered, and arc as well. Now the parts of the circle are finished. Thank you beta.